And the next one is we are going to see 𝐿-value and 𝑂r-value. Okay, 𝐿-value means left value and 𝑂r means right value. Okay, 𝐿-value, it refers to the memory location or called 𝐿-value. Okay, always normally in a mathematics a equal to a plus 5 or a plus 5 equal to a, this is same in a normal mathematical calculation. But while you are writing the program, this two is not same. This two is not same in a C program. Okay, this is the left hand side value, 𝐿-value. This is 𝐿-value and this is called as an 𝑂r value. Okay. So 𝐿-value is left hand side value and 𝑂r value is right hand side value. For example, I am assigning a equal to 5. So this is called 𝐿-value a and 𝑂r value is 5. So 𝐿-value, it referred to a memory location or called 𝐿-value. So always the left hand side value is the memory location. The memory locations are represented as 𝐿-value expression. It may be appear in left or right side of an expression. This 𝐿-value, that is, it may be appear in left side, that is a, or here a plus 5. It will appear in left or right side of an expression. So 𝐿-value, it referred to a memory location or called 𝐿-value expression. It may be appear in left or right side of the expression. The next one is 𝑂r value. It always present in the right side of the expression. It does not appear on the left side of the expression. So very careful. 𝑂r value always present in the right side of the expression. For example, a equal to 10. So here a equal to 10, it is right, but 10 equal to a, this is wrong, because this must be a memory location. This should not be a value here. Okay, this value is assigned in this memory location, this is right, but this memory location cannot assign, so this is wrong. Okay, so always remember 𝐿-value and 𝑂r value. 𝐿-value must be the memory location and 𝑂r value must be any value. 𝐿-value may be appear on left side or right side. Okay.